Hello! Today we are going to be trying saving our planet and what is most important, my wallet, by fixing this absolutely beautiful Kraft and Delle automatic air hose reel. This is extremely clever device that you can use in your workshop, and on one end you've got a regular air supply quick connector, and into that connector you are attaching your air tool, and here you've got 20 meter of air hose that you can pull as you need, and when you release it, it is going to be staying and you can do a lot of things. And when you are done, you are pulling it and you are letting it basically wind back just like that. So you've got a really clean workspace. And on that side, you've got a regular air connector that goes into your air supply, which is in my case a compressor. If you take a look here, you've got this pivot element, and the idea is that you are attaching this onto your wall, and yeah, it is extremely neat and clean workspace. The agenda for today is that we are going to be trying to keep it out from a landfill, because it is a steel device that can be fixed. I've got two ways of repairing it. First, I purchased this adapter from AliExpress, so we are going to be able to cut our hose in the place where we've got that puncture, and we are going to be nicely inserting it. The second idea that I've got a new quick connector, so we can attach it at any point. And for that task, I also purchased those absolutely beautiful hose clamps that do not have those elements that are usually sticking out, because we don't want to cut ourselves. I would like to keep that press connector because it is absolutely beautiful. So let's take a look. Here we've got that element that is preventing it from going in. And from what I can see, we've got a screw, so we can definitely remove it and move whenever we want. But let me pull our hose, because I already seen the problem, because someone was trying to patch it with use of little bit tape. And here is our hole. Not sure if you can see it. We've got a tape mark. Someone was trying to patch it, but of course with like 8 bar, little bit of tape will do nothing. But the hole, as you can see, it is so extremely close that from 20 meter, if we lose like a 3, then it is absolutely nothing. So let's try to fix it. Let me begin operation by cutting our hose and checking the internal diameter, because I'm not sure if I purchased correct size. And this is what we've got. So in my personal opinion, the internal diameter is absolutely great. And those stuff were extremely cheap, and I've got it from AliExpress. Here you can see. Yeah, that's going to be perfect. Absolutely amazing fit. I will put it into warm water, so it will be more plastic. Let's check the other side. So here we've got our element, and we are going to be unscrewing it. So let's try to open it, and let's see what will happen. We should be able to move it around somehow. Okay, we've got a 2 screw. No problem whatsoever. Just take a look. No problem. We will go like this. This is very important because we don't want the hose go in. That's going to be absolutely amazing, simple fix. And something that was about to be thrown away, we've got for a fraction of cost. But I'm very impressed by this. This is something that I buy on the AliExpress. Here we've got a tool for crimping. Very specialized. This is how it's presenting. I never use it, so I'm not sure how it works. And we've got those hose clamps. So we have to find one that we've got a perfect size. What about this guy? I think that's going to be a good one. This is how it's presenting, and you do not have that sharp screw that you've got usually here, or a winding element. Let me check if this is a good size. Yes, it is a perfect size. For test, let's waste one of those, because I have to learn how to use it. So it go like this. And if I understand, we need to grab it like this and squeeze. And it should be presenting like that. This is pretty crazy. I'm not sure what about it. Is it going to be? I don't think so. This is definitely the way to go. But maybe we can push it with some other pliers. Yeah, but this is looking pretty decent. I've got hot water here, and we are going to be making it more plastic. And I think I will go with that route. We are going to be using this guy. And that one. Yeah, it is very plastic. We go like this. We are inserting it just like that. We go here. And we are squeezing it. Just like that. And can you see it? We've got absolutely beautiful job. Just in second, and we do not have that screw or like a butterfly. Does it look professional for you? Can you tell me? Let's check whether the size match. It looks like we've got a good fix. Let me check it under pressure. Here is something that I didn't want to do, and as you can see, that's like a regular hose clamp. You've got that element that is going to be catching. You can hurt yourself, and just see the difference. Can you see the difference between those two? We can add like a silicone tape here, and it's going to be totally safe. Just take a look. This is bad. This is great. So yeah, this is amazing set. A very good purchase. We've got our 8 bar being supply. And I cannot hear anything hissing, but it is totally to be like expected, because it make a really great connection. You can see how the hose is being squeezed. And let me connect. And it is pressurized. And let's check. So we've got absolutely amazing fix. Just take a look. We can pull it, we can yank it, we can do something, and then we can wind it back. As you can see, in those couple moments, we managed to fix our device and make it usable again. And in my personal opinion, looking pretty good. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.